Hi everyone, welcome to Mint Frosted Brownies. We're the Kaplan Kitchen and we're going to make the Kaplan Kitchen.
No.
Hi everyone, welcome to the Kaplan Kitchen. This episode we're making Mint Frosted Brownies.
We're not ready.
Hi everyone, welcome to the Kaplan Kitchen, episode 5. Today we're making Mint Frosted Brownies.
My favorite.
So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to make this Duncan Hines dark chocolate brownie mix. The fudgy recipe on the back, not the cake-like recipe.
So just one egg.
And meanwhile, Mom's gonna be greasing the oven pan, and she just preheated the oven to 350 degrees. So we're gonna do that now. Damn.
Awesome.
So this brownie mix calls for 1 egg, a third cup of water, and a third cup of vegetable oil to the brownie mix in the brownie mix. And to that, we are also going to add, it's not in the instructions, but we're going to add half a bag of chocolate chips. Alright, so once your batter starts to get combined, then you're going to add half the bag of the chocolate chips. And you can really do this by ear if you want, or by eye.
By ear?
Sorry, I was thinking
you
like...
can do it by ear.
More
Let's
chocolate
see.
chips, more chocolate chips, more chocolate chips.
That sounds like
Enough,
half a
stop.
bag right there.
Awesome.
Was I right?
Yeah, that was about half a cup. So you can play it by ear, or you can do it by eye. Is that what? Okay, so don't over stir the mixture though. You just want to stir it until it's combined, and then you're gonna put it into your sheet tray. Is that what it's called?
This is a 13. Nope, that is not. I don't think that's a sheet tray. That's a 13 by 9.
Baking sheet.
Baking pan.
Baking pan.
It's a 13 by 9.
Put it in that.
That's already been greased. I could do it this way. Much. Or I could drop it in there and make a mess. So it kind of feels like this recipe is ridiculous because we're just showing you how to make a box brownie recipe, but honestly, these are the best brownies.
And our originality in this recipe comes in the frosting.
Yeah, it's the combination of the mint and the brownies. It's so good. All right, there we go. Part 1 is ready to go in the oven.
But it's not preheated yet.
Oh, so we'll wait a minute to let the oven catch up. We're so quick.
Hey, special guest.
What are you making today in the Kaplan kitchen?
Iced coffee. Okay, so now the oven's preheated, so we're gonna put it in the oven for 21 minutes.
21 minutes.
Bada boom! Alright, so 21 minutes has gone by, so we're gonna take the brownies out of the oven. It's hot in there. Oven. And we're gonna let this cool. You can't put any frosting on it until it's like completely cool. You might even put these in the refrigerator to just cool them down faster.
If you're in a rush, you can put them in the refrigerator, but they can't even be a little bit warm because then the frosting will just melt right into them and then you have no frosting.
What's the point?
What is the point?
What is the
really?
point? It's so slippery. You got butterfingers. I've been working on some new characters. Do you want to hear them? Yup. We got Tree Man. We got Windy Tree Man.
Is it recording?
We got no, that's it. Those are the only 2 characters I've been working on.
Tree Man and Windy Tree Man?
Mm-hmm.
That's it?
Are you disappointed?
I am. It's day 4,724 of the quarantine.
I have no idea what day it is today, but the brownies have finished cooling,
Yes.
and now it's time to make the frosting. So the first thing we're gonna do is we already did it, but Ryan wasn't recording. But Ryan, you ruin our bowl. Don't record when we're trying to do the show.
Ryan.
What do you do?
We love you, Ryan.
So while you're letting the brownies cool, you're gonna let your butter sit out so it gets nice and soft. And you're just gonna cut it into little half-inch chunks.
Little chunks.
you know, looks like that. And then,
It's optional.
well, what's next?
So then we're just gonna cream this butter up.
Gotta speak over that. So you want to add 1 box, 4 cups of confectioner's sugar to confectioners? Yeah, powdered sugar to the creamed butter. And you're gonna get that all nice and incorporated.
Oh, you got butter on the bag. That's fine. Oh, all right. Next, we're gonna add some 4 tablespoons of milk to this. So,
Some 4 tablespoons.
some 4, 1. You guys want to count with me?
2.
Good. That was a nice.
Count at home too.
Count with us. What's this?
3.
Good. Very good.
And lastly,
Is this the last one?
Oh, it's okay.
I might actually not add the whole thing.
4.
And I overdid it. I'm gonna reserve, I'm not gonna put in extra because you can always add in more milk if it gets
But you
too
can't
creamy, but
take
you can't
it out.
Take it out. So I'm gonna just play it safe. And because I spilled a little, I'm gonna.
if you're a skilled baker, you can take it out.
All right, and then we need to add 2 teaspoons of the peppermint extract. Would you like to use?
Yeah, 2 of
Alright,
these.
yeah.
Ready? Count with me,
All
everyone.
right.
Send your recordings of you counting with us.
1.
Wait, it's
Oh,
not.
you're dripping, so that's good.
Okay.
You're like
1.
pouring.
1.
Maybe you should have done this.
Yeah, maybe. You shouldn't have to squeeze it. It's liquid, silly.
No, it's like a squeezy bottle.
Yeah, okay.
2.
All right. Nice. We're gonna mix this until smooth.
This isn't smooth yet.
Done. Smooth.
So next you want to add a drop or 2 of green food coloring, and you really want to wear rollerblades while you're
It's
doing
impossible
Yeah, you
to
look
not
very
get it on
tall.
your fingers.
Just 1 drop.
2.
1 to 2 drops
1
of green food
Oh,
coloring.
hang on.
And you're gonna mix that up. And this is basically the color that you want to go for. This is the signature green mint frosted brownie. That's gross. Use a spoon. Now, I'm sure you remember that we left some milk out. So what you're gonna want to do with this is you're gonna want to feed it to your cameraman.
All right. So our next step is gonna be just gonna dollop this delicious frosting. Whoa! I almost lost the dollop.
So close.
Sorry.
You need all the dollops you can get.
Oh man, look what I just did. Good lord. Oh my gosh.
You suck.
Oh my god. Now that we've got some nice dollops all around the brownies, we're just gonna spread this out as smooth as we can without talking too loud. So the only challenge you have when you're smoothing on the frosting is to make sure that you don't get any of the brownie bits to come up and ruin the look. But it'll taste good either way. So this is what you want it to look like when it's all spread out. And then the last step is to cut it. I like to cut it in sort of smaller pieces because
Then you don't feel so bad about eating like
totally for breakfast.
So most baked goods are best fresh out of the oven, like hot. But these are actually good if you like put them in the refrigerator for a couple hours.
And the freezer.
No, not the.
So we have
She's
to
crazy.
we
You can't
disagree.
bite-
Honestly, they're good at any temperature, but try it
Especially out of the
freezer.
refrigerator.
Comment
Try both.
below.
Try both and see what you prefer. It's all good.
Hashtag team freezer. Hashtag team refrigerator.
Yeah.
Make it a thing.
Yeah.
Make it
Make it a thing.
Let us know.
Put it on Instagram,
Tweet
Twitter.
about it. And look at that! You got a beautiful mint frosted brownie.
So good.
They're really good.
So when I package them up, I do, so one's gonna be in the freezer, one's gonna be in the refrigerator, and I do put a layer of wax paper in between. So there is actually a last step of this recipe that I don't do anymore. You can melt down some unsweetened chocolate with a little bit of butter, and you can put that on top, and then it's a little more fancy, but
It's just as good.
it's just as good
Get
without
the
it.
chocolate chips in the brownies. So.
Exactly.
Where's the other half?
Cheers. Oh my god, it's so good.
They're really good.
Highly recommend it. Nice job.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you. Ben had his very last day of high school classes today.
All right, make sure to like and subscribe this video. Make sure to comment if you liked it. Show us Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, MySpace. Give it a like, share it with your friends, show us what we got. We love hearing from you guys, so please, and actually subscribe.
Nice job.